addition. So this is the breeding area. But that's not why I'm making this video. Papakilala ko sa inyo yung new addition dito sa loft. As you all know, Flying D is one of the best fancier breeder here in the US. He is located in Texas, Chico, Texas. He sent Fuck the World Loft pair of breeders, and I will be breeding those birds, and hopefully we get some babies this year, and we will be sending those babies to the One Loft races, hopefully flying them in our 2024 futurity here in Ventura County. So here's the birds. This is my quarantine section. These birds will be here for maybe about 3 to 5 days, and then they will be moved to another section for better area, better sunlight. So normally when they first arrive, their poop will be wet, somewhat greenish, and that's normal. That's just from the stress of travel. There's a cock, there's a hen. They look healthy.
Baka nga, ano ba yung IF na yan, bro?
IF yan po din. Yung club na yun.
Baka palagay ko, mga pilit niya pa to, no?
Pang race na yun. Yan, Fly D. Rekta. Ganda. Oh. Damn, man. Woo!
Ganda, bro.
Stand by.
Diba?
Stand
Mapabuti
by.
natin to, bro, sa Olongapo, men.
Sa longga po yan.
Yes, yung mga anak nito, bro.
Yan. Rekta yan. Flying D.
Natin yung head.
Gosh.
Oops.
Bibigay lang natin ng victory feel. Shout out dyan kay Manny Go. Sir Manny Go.
Ito bro. Ito hen, no? Thank you very much to Sir Paul Daniel. Flying
Daniel.
Low. Yes, from Texas.
From Texas. All the way from Texas. It's been in the box for 2 days.
That's
But
still
the quality,
condition.
the condition is still there.
Yeah.
That's how you can tell the quality ng ibon. Tignan mo yan.
Yeah, bro. Tingnan natin yung wing band niya eh.
Wing band.
Fly D.
Fly D. Recta. Kanyan. Aya.
Quality bird, bro. Hintay lang yung mga tropa natin dyan, no? Sa Olonga po. I-breed lang natin to. Tapos share natin yung mga anak dyan. Tapos yung mga anak, i-breed. And then share naman natin sa mga tropa and fans here. So, mabait ka talaga, bro. Maraming magbibigay sa'yo. Mga jeep, fly jeep.
Alright, dyan muna. Quarantine muna sila for 5 days. Make sure na okay ang condition nila, ang poop nila. But I'm pretty sure na 100% good sila. Just to make sure.
God, man.
Alright.
Jackpot,
That's
no?
Fly D. Ano ba yan? Blue check ba yan? Dark check. Ah,
Blue check.
blue check.
Yan, no?
Nasa box ko for 2 days.